welcome back to my channel. It's my with Miss Wagashi TV. Today I will teach you how to make mochi with chocolate cream filling. With the Valentine's Day coming up, prepare for supplies and share the mochi with your loved ones. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna make chocolate ganache for filling. Pour heavy cream into a saucepan and heat on a stove. Turn off the heat just before it boils. Combine the pure chocolate in a mixing bowl. Then pour warm cream over the chocolate. Let it sit for a few minutes. Then stir the mixture. If your chocolate doesn't melt, put a bowl in hot water at the temperature of 50 degrees. Keep stirring until they are smooth. Transfer the mixture into a tray, place it in a fridge, and let it cool completely. Now let's make mochi. First, dissolve the cacao powder in a small amount of hot water. Combine glutinous rice flour and sugar in a mixing bowl. Add water little by little and mix well until it makes smooth paste. Add the cacao mixture to the paste and stir until well combined. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and heat in a microwave. Mix the mochi and make it consistent. Return the bowl in a microwave and heat again. Transfer the mochi on the dusted surface. Dust the mochi with additional potato starch. Cover with a plastic wrap and set aside to cool. Take the chocolate ganache from the fridge. Scoop the chocolate ganache with a spoon and roll into a ball. Divide the mochi into 4. Expand the mochi into a disc and place the chocolate ganache ball on top. Wrap the chocolate in mochi and pinch the mochi to seal. You can enjoy straight away or freeze them and make like mochi ice cream.